What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the Roblox disconnected, failed to connect to the game error you are getting when trying to play Roblox on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, make sure that the Roblox app is not running on your PC and search for Firewall to open up your Firewall and Network Protection System Settings window. Here, select Allow an app through Firewall. On this window, click on Change Settings. Look up Roblox and make sure that both these checkboxes are checked before closing this window. Next, make sure that the Roblox servers are operational, as this problem is in most cases caused by a network or server issue. Navigate to status.roblox.com or click on the link in the description below to get to this page. Here, expand User and Player and make sure that the servers are operational. If this is not the case, then you will have to wait a moment until the server maintenance is done. If the servers are working fine, then make sure to test your own network connection using a speed testing site or application such as Speedtest. Here, preview your average upload and download speed, as well as your latency to the nearest server. In case you notice a high ping or unreliable download speed, then you will have to make a few changes to your network connection, such as limiting the amount of devices connected to the same network, or restart your router in case you haven't done this in a while. Next, open up your Windows settings. Under Network and Internet, click on VPN and make sure that your VPN connection is disabled. A VPN can be very useful, but it can also cause network errors with Roblox. Lastly, proceed to delete your Windows temporary files before trying to join a Roblox experience again. Search for Temporary Files and open up your Delete Temporary Files window settings. Click on Temporary Files and proceed to delete the content of your Temporary Files folder, which will get rid of files stored by applications such as Roblox, which should get deleted from time to time. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.